Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know I'm Anam, and in case you're new to my channel and you don't know, now you know I'm Anam. I upload regular videos on beauty, fashion, lifestyle, vlogs and travel. So in case you're new to my channel, welcome. I want to start off this video by addressing a few things first off. My entire 5 videos a week upload has been going really well for almost 10 months now. But at the beginning of Jan, I feel like I did fall off a little bit. Like I was doing 4 uploads instead of 5. The reason behind that is because there were certain edits I wasn't personally happy with, and I wanted to make sure I was 100% satisfied with what I was putting out there. So I decided to spend a little extra time in edit or like rework on a few things here and there instead of just uploading the 5th video for the sake of it. Of course, I will continue to strive to do 5 videos a week, but that's just something I really wanted to address because I don't want you guys to feel like I say it's 5 videos a week and after doing it for 10 months suddenly disappear on it. That's not my intention. You will continue to see as many videos as I possibly can put up because making videos has gone on to become one of my first loves about my job right now, and I want to make sure that I bring to you really nice qualitative videos. Which brings to me actually something really interesting, which sort of is the second thing I want to inform you and address. Feb is going to be a really exciting month in terms of content for me. February typically brings to mind Valentine's Day, and it's the season of love and everybody's doing things for each other. When I was single, I would go out with my girlfriends or my best friends in general, put like, you know, groups of friends together and do things with them when I was single. And I feel like in general, when you're saying love during Valentine's Day, as much as most people think of it as a partner, it could also be your partner in crime or someone you're just really close to and would like to pamper. You will be seeing a whole lot of love and Valentine's Day and just thematic content this month. I already have a few things planned out, a couple of them short. You'll get to know what I'm talking about really soon. I don't want any spoilers, but I just wanted to give you guys a little hint on what's coming up. Coming to today's video, as usual, this is my monthly favorites. It's one of the videos I've really grown to get very fond of because I realized that not only do I get to sort of put different glimpses of the month for myself together for you guys, but it also lands up becoming a great way for me to host the giveaways that I host for you guys every month. This month in particular, we are so close to 100k. I keep talking about this every now and then in different videos. As of today, when I'm shooting this video for you guys, we're at 96,000 something, and I just want to tell you that I'm really working hard on making the 100k giveaway something that's really special. Hopefully YouTube will also verify my channel at some point within the course of this, because most of my other platforms are all verified and YouTube is the only one that isn't actually. So that's something I'm working on as well. Like I'm hoping they'll work on, but what I'm working on is making sure my channel remains nice and usual as well. In case you guys do find my voice slightly nasal, I came back from Chennai just a couple of nights ago and my state has been really bad. If you are following my stories, you know that I felt sick when I was in Chennai. I had a really weird downturn actually of health. I had fever non-stop for 2 days. I had a horrible cold, and that's kind of how I spent my anniversary. Although I did get better on my anniversary, it was like a weird fluctuation of things. Okay, I don't want this introduction to turn into story time, which I realize it has. Let me dive into my Jan favorites before I keep blabbing about everything else. Okay, so the first thing I have to say that is on the top of my list for my Jan favorites is my beauty masterclass that I hosted with a bunch of you followers down south in Chennai in collaboration with Nykaa. I really want to say a big fat thank you to Nykaa for having me on board for that. I've done masterclasses before, I've hosted workshops before, I've even hosted workshops for like corporate teams, one of which is on my favorites we'll come to in a bit. But this was really different because it was a heavy duty end-to-end discussing beauty. I made you guys sit down. Every time you had a question, I made you sit down, do a demo on half your face, and then I made them do like the other half on their own. I made a handful of people. There were about 55 people, so not handful of people, there were quite a few people. But we learned how to wear false lashes, how to contour correctly, how to match foundation shades, how to make sure you use corrector, concealer correctly. That masterclass is something that's always going to be really special to me because I feel like it was something that was genuine conversation. It was super engaging, and it wasn't just about makeup. It was also about how makeup makes you feel, right? Makeup is supposed to make you feel more you. It's not supposed to change who you are. And that was a really huge part of the conversation we had in Chennai through the masterclass. That is definitely number one on my list. The second thing I want to mention is actually what I sort of just mentioned earlier. I do workshops pretty often when brands bring me on board and they hire me for various projects. And in Jan in particular, I hosted this amazing workshop for the corporate heads and the head honchos from Future Group. Future Group is a really big company in India. For those of you who don't know, Google it. Basically, they own brands like Big Bazaar and FBB and a lot of them. I don't want to get into the list right now, but I basically hosted a workshop that lasted about 45 minutes for their marketing heads and CEO and corporate team basically here in Bombay, in Juhu, at the Marriott earlier this month, to just discuss the blogging industry as a whole. It was so nice to do that. I've hosted workshops before and done one-on-one feedbacks with companies and brands that are developing products or services to tell them how they could better it. They bring us on board for various assignments like that. But this was really different because I got to present my perspective on how the blogging industry can work better in tandem with brands. For example, when brands reach out to me and say we want this, a lot of times I tend to say no, because I want to make sure that if I'm presenting a brand to you guys as my followers, I'm presenting it the way I visualize it, the way I think works for us as an audience, for us as users of the brand. I don't like it when certain brands come to us and tell us, oh, this is the only way you can communicate and you can't use these words or you can use these words. These things do happen to us as bloggers. Certain brands are very, very strict about it. And it was just so nice to be able to bring my point of view forward, and kudos to Future Group actually to initiate something like this, to be like, let's sit and talk and tell us what's happening and tell us how we can work more in tandem with bloggers. It was all just really, really nice. Also in this month, I've discovered a couple of new products. The first product I want to talk about, actually, I have sitting over here. So I love curling my hair. You guys know that. I've been curling my hair since God knows how long. I've been curling my hair since before I've been straightening it like regularly for shoots and stuff. But my tong kind of gave way a couple of months back and I kept delaying the process of buying a new one. I finally went ahead and bought a new one. This is not sponsored at all. I happened to buy, just by the way, I happened to buy an Iconic straightener sometime early in 2018 and I was really impressed with it. So when I was looking at tongs and I found this particular set and it was Iconic, from the brand Iconic, I was really, really excited about it because the straightener is just fabulous. I know you guys want me to do the whole curling with a straightener video and that is coming up really, really soon. But I do still need a pair of tongs because the look is a little bit different, right? When you use tongs versus when you're using an iron. So I picked up this set online. It basically comes with 4 different barrels. It's really, really good. This has helped me give me 4 different types of curls over the last 2 weeks that I've been using it. It's absolutely amazing. I picked this up from Amazon.com, but when I went back to find it so that I could add the links to it, add in the info box below, I couldn't find it back again. I don't think they're selling it online anymore. Maybe it's sold out, but I found a very, very, very similar one on Nykaa. I'll go ahead and add the link of that, and just in case the Amazon link pops up again, I'll check after filming. I'll add that link down below as well. Basically, I'll add links for everything down below so that you guys can take a look. It's just working out really, really well for me. I'm literally holding it on each strand for 3 to 4 seconds just to make sure the curl stays really well. I'm really loving it. I'm gonna keep trying it a little more and try all the barrels because I think I've tried 3 out of the 4 barrels so far. Maybe I'll do a little more detailed review for you guys, but this is a little mini review anyway. Another product which is a new launch that I want to mention actually are the Nykaa sheet masks. They're all over social media. They're all over Instagram. I know that, but I have to tell you, I paid for these. Okay, quick, before people are like, listen, it's sponsored, it's not sponsored, I'm not getting paid to say this. I finished off all my PR masks in no time. I actually took some to Chennai and I wanted my mom-in-law and my sister-in-law to try them, and then I ordered more because they're just so good. Okay, so these are the ones I have literally paid for from my own money, not sponsored at all for saying this. They're just really, really good as a product. They're making it to my list of monthly favorites because I'm literally seeing an instant difference difference, uplift when I wear it. Like I've been usually wearing them in the night. So of late, you guys know I do a really extensive nighttime routine. It's like 7 steps and stuff. But these days I've just been stopping it like halfway. I've been leaving the mask on and letting the mask soak in and then just going to sleep without adding anything further on top of it, because the serums that are coming inside this are really nice and are pretty much working for my skin type. If you have dry skin like me, please particularly try. I think I have the almond and goat milk one here. Do I? Have I used it? Oh, I don't have it here. There's an almond one with milk and there is a rose with goat milk. Those are my two absolute favorites. I cannot tell you how much they are my favorites. My skin the next morning of using the rose one literally felt so soft and smooth. I loved it. Okay, another product I definitely want to mention. Actually, it's not a product, it's a brand. I recently discovered Saint Divens. I actually discovered them in November, but I've been trying their products for a while and I'm really liking what I see. What you're seeing over here are brand new products. I ordered, I think, 80 bags from Saint Divens because I was really happy with them and they gave me a really good deal. I mean, in full disclosure, you guys know I'm very transparent about this stuff with you guys, where we gave 2 products in each bag during the meet and greet that I had with you guys. Their products are absolutely fabulous. I have so many new products sitting with me. I've pulled this out from my new lot, not from my bathroom lot. I'm not going to pull out from my bathroom and show you guys when I have new products sitting right here. Their products are really nice. The fragrances are something you will love. Okay, I was about to literally like take this to the camera and be like, smell it. What am I doing? Okay, my cold is getting to my head. The tea tree stuff they have is just beyond beautiful. You have to give it a shot. I'll add links of everything I find down below in the info box, so make sure you guys give it a look. Okay, another thing I definitely want to mention in Jan is that it is a new time when Lakme Fashion Week begins here in Bombay in India. Lakme Fashion Week is really special to me because I remember attending it from before I was officially a blogger, and then from when I started my blogging career. At that time it really wasn't a career. That's why I'm like putting inverted commas on it. I was basically a college student that loved to write about fashion and I was finding my way around what to do. And I'm so glad that I got an opportunity to be at Lakme Fashion Week and got to sit in the media seats at that point of time, and it'll always be something that's just really close to me and very special and close to my heart because it helped my career as a blogger in so many ways. I won't be attending all the shows like I usually used to when I was much younger, when I just started, because now of course there are other things that need my time, my energy, but at the same time I will always love Fashion Week and I will be attending at least 10 to 15 shows that I've shortlisted for myself, so you will catch all the updates for that on my Instagram stories. When I say Jan favorites, by the way, I cannot not mention my trip to Dehradun with my parents. Going to Antara Senior Living along with my husband Gerard, my mom and my dad was just really nice. We had such a nice relaxing 3.5 days there. It was exactly what I needed between the crazy chaotic schedule I've recently been living in. It is a vlog that I would definitely want you guys to go check out in case you haven't already. Okay, one last thing before I go away and give you guys details on the giveaway, promise last one. What I definitely want to tell you is I think that this is probably one of my most favorite things on the 2019 January list. I decided that I want 2019, the year, to just be as collaborative with other YouTubers, content creators, people, just nice creative minds in general. And believe me when I say I'm talking to a lot of people to collaborate with. It's just a matter of timing, logistics, who's free. There are a few people who are like not doing collaborations right now and will probably touch back base with me later in this year. I like to be fully transparent with you guys, but I'm reaching out to a lot of people, out of which we've already initiated the process with about 5 or 6 of them, and I've already shot with 2. You guys have already seen the first of it, my collaboration with Meghna, which is already live on my channel. We did a really fun Never Have I Ever challenge. Make sure you guys check that out if you haven't already. And there is a second one also which has already been shot. You will be seeing that really shortly. I don't want to mention who, I don't want to mention what. I want you guys to stay tuned and wait for that one. Hopefully by now you have hit the subscribe button and you have turned those bell notifications on, because this one is coming up literally within the next few days. So make sure you guys catch up, come watch those videos. I really want 2019 to be the year of making some amazing content, and I want to thank you because I wouldn't have the encouragement, the courage in general, the support, because of it's just how amazing you guys are. The fact that you're loving the content and asking for more content and giving me ideas. I feel like it's a very collaborative process between you and me as well. So big fat thank you to that. Coming to your favorite part of the video now, I think the giveaway. Okay, so the giveaway rules are simple. They're as usual. Pick 3 favorite videos that went live in January 2019. Mention them down below. Make sure you mention why they are your favorites. Also, don't just mention the titles. I need to know why you like them. Don't forget to mention your Instagram handle as well, because you need to be a subscriber here on YouTube as well as a follower on Instagram. I also just want to mention to you guys, please make sure you read the timeline of the contest down below in the info box. I'll tell you when the contest ends. Sometimes we'll end up getting some really good answers, but they come in after the time, like the end time of the contest has expired, which is not fair. You know that. I just want to make sure everyone's sticking to the rules. Apart from that, am I missing anything? Make sure you're a resident of India, or make sure at least you have an Indian address for us to courier the goodie bags to. If you have one, please come and check back here on the video itself. I usually type out the person's name down below in the comments and pin it as a top comment. I get a lot of DMs asking me, have you announced? Have you announced? But I'm like, guys, I have announced. Just check on the video itself. Yeah, and hopefully the next giveaway before Feb Favorites will be a 100k giveaway that I've been planning for a while. I also, just for a second, want to put it out there that if you want to win, if you want to get like bonus points on featuring and getting this entire giveaway, being one of the winners, why am I so lost for words? My code is getting to my head. If you want to get bonus points on probably winning and being amongst the few winners of this contest, we usually do 3 to 5 winners depending on what we find. You have actually a couple of things you can do. For example, you can get your friends to subscribe to the channel, and if you have around 3 to 4 friends who have subscribed through you, have them reply to your comment down below and saying, I've subscribed through so and so person. Please make sure they've actually subscribed, because we do tally all the names from a subscription list and we get to know when they subscribed also. The date and all, everything comes up. That's something you can do as a bonus, just in case you want to slide yourself to the top a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna go now. I really need to have a medicine. My cold is making its way to my head. I'm gonna go. I will see you guys in my next video. Do I need to remind you to subscribe? Nah, I think I did that enough times in this video. I love you guys so much. See you in the next one. Bye. Now I need to go have warm water, hot water. I can hear myself turning into like Himesh Reshamya's voice. Maybe I'll go sing a song.